I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting ready. Sign in to Tenor with your Google or Apple account so uploads link to you. Prepare a web-friendly GIF file and name it clearly. This matters because search uses your title. Once done, pick 3 10-concise tags that describe mood and content, and note any attribution you must provide. These steps reduce rejection and improve discoverability, so don't skip them. Make sure your file is the final version before moving to the upload interface. You now upload. Open Tenor's upload interface and select your prepared GIF file. As it uploads, add the title, tags, and language. These drive search relevance, so be specific. Add source or creator attribution if the GIF isn't wholly yours to avoid rights issues. Then choose visibility and a content rating that matches the GIF. This prevents age-restricted blocking. Finally, double-check ownership declarations and click Submit, so the platform can process and index your GIF for use in apps and keyboards. Finish by waiting for Tenor to process and index your GIF. It may take minutes to appear in search. Once indexed, test search terms and variations to confirm visibility. If the upload is rejected, reopen your submission, adjust tags, confirm you asserted correct ownership, and set the appropriate content rating. Small metadata fixes often resolve rejections. If problems persist, contact Tenor support with the file ID and screenshot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.